Hi everybody, this is Don Derwin. I have a Sportsman GEN2000 generator, and I had it stored in the garage. Oh, the lighting's not very good here, but I had it stored in the garage, and I got the carburetor off. There, and I don't know if the lighting's going to be very good there, but yeah, I got this carburetor off, and it wouldn't run. It was stored in the garage for like 5 years, so I got it apart, and I was looking at this jet thing, does look kind of cruddy. Trying to get them. So I'm going to spray it with the gum out. It does look kind of gooky. Probably why it don't work. But it fits right there, and then that part goes in that hole right there. I'm going to spray it with some gum out. That goes in right here, and then it goes on the float. It looks kind of gooky, so I'm going to spread it out with gum out, and I took and the float goes in with this little pin here. Goes here like this. There, but and this is the, I guess maybe it's a needle valve or something or whatever, but this was up on the, God, I can't even see it. This is up on the top. This was up here. It was up here. And there was another one. Another one was right here. I'm gonna try and spray this out. Then we'd come out, and then this one guy in the video, he got that middle one out, but I don't know how to get that one out. There's no screwdriver thing in there. But I guess I'll just I mean, if I stuck a screwdriver in there, it doesn't look like it would do anything, because I don't see any. So I'm just try spraying it out with some gum out, and just blowing out with my air compressor right there. I got an air compressor. So I'm gonna do that, and hopefully I'll get this thing. Oh, here, maybe this is why I can't get this in focus. Maybe if I can't get this thing working. So anyway, that's the GEN2000 Sportsman carburetor. Right there, there's some gook in here. The bottom of that, and then this one thing that this thing, when it came apart, it was here. But I couldn't figure out how to put this on at first. Oh, and two, I had to put this thing in a vise to get this screw out here. Get the bowl out. This screw here, I had to put it in a vise because this thing was so tight I couldn't even get it out. But I wouldn't have been able to get it out unless I got to put it in a vise. But anyway, I'm going to try and spray this thing out and blow it out in my air compressor, and hopefully I won't lose any parts. Hope not. But get this thing back working so I can go on vacation. Alright, catch y'all later. Yeah, I wanted to try to mention this thing. This I couldn't. I was having a trouble time trying to take this thing off. But this thing kind of goes around here. I came in, and it goes in here like this. This goes around here like this. The pin goes through. The pin goes through here. Then this. Then this thing goes up and over like this. I was trying to figure out how to take this apart, but it goes in there like that. Like that. And it looks like it's got some kind of rubber thing on it. I thought maybe it might be but it looks like there's a rubber tip on there. Thought it was maybe just crud, but looks like there's a rubber tip. It's like a little rubber tip on there, it looks like. I thought it was just all full of crud, but I think that's rubber. I sprayed it really good with gum out. And I sprayed all this out. I, sprayed it in all the holes, a bunch of gum out, and sprayed it in here. And so hopefully I get this thing back together. Then, it'll start to work. I sprayed in here and here, just everywhere I seen a hole. And then I sprayed it with gum out, and then and then here I sprayed this hole here. Here, made sure it's all nice and clean. Well, then I sprayed the parts a little. Maybe I should even spray in. Yeah, I was thinking maybe I should even try spraying it through this little hole here. Even. Maybe this one here too. Anyway, I just wanted to show you that. Yeah, yeah, I was really worried about when I was spraying it with the air compressor. Got spraying it with the hose, the little tiny part. Spraying it, just whopping it with like 120 psi of air. And I'm like, man, do not blow this thing out of my fingers, Michael. And man, in this garage, I'd probably never find it. Boy, if you do that, man, hold those pieces, either that or put it in thing, because I was, you know, if that flew away, man, I'd be SOL. Shit out of luck. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys how this goes in here. It's it kind of doesn't look like it comes apart, but it does. Goes in there like that, and that little float thing or needle thing is on with a little thing in the. It's hard to see now. I took it all the way out. Well, it's hard to do with two hands. I mean, with only one hand here. No, I can't even get that back in now. Yeah. Anyway, it's really hard to do with just one hand here. I don't know if I got that in right or not. It doesn't. No, there it goes. There, it's in right there. But at first, it didn't seem like I can get this thing apart, but it does come apart. And at first I didn't know if I can get it apart, but because there's like a clip there and then a thing there, and you don't have to bend anything, but it will just come out, and then that pin goes in right through here, and the bowl just goes on the bottom here like that. And one other thing. Oh, and then getting this that ring in there. That ring around here. When the first time I done it, I think it goes around here. The rubber thing. At first, I thought there was a lip end or something, but it just goes in here like this, around here, the rubber thing. I'm soaking it in oil right now. But it goes around here, and it's kind of hard to get in because it's a little bit oversized. You kind of got to squash it in there. But I think that was the problem with it, because when I took it apart, there was no fuel in the bowl at all. So then the one thing I called support, and they said that maybe I should try, you know, blowing off if there's like crud in the gas tank. I don't know if you guys can see, it's so dark. But what I'm going to do is, you know, when I hook up the hose here, I'm going to spray it out with, I emptied the tank, and I'm going to spray it out with air. Said maybe there was some rust in the tank, you know, so I'm going to spray that out and with the compressed air and see if that'll work, and then hopefully I'll be able to go on vacation with the generator. I was thinking about buying a new one, but man, it's like $300 or more, 400. But anyway, hopefully this thing will work next time on my next video. Hopefully I'll be starting it up. Okay, catch you later. I'll be back. Alright everybody, again I'm back here, and this carburetor goes on right here. This, and then here's a gasket. Then these clip things, I mean not the clip, but there's a little spring that goes in here. This side always comes off too. There's a spring and a little clip. Spring and a little clip. There's like 2 holes there. And they both come out. Having trouble seeing in there with this thing. Why? I can't see in there. But here, I can't even see my finger. Oh, here is like a, yeah, right here, and it goes here. There's a spring. Here's a spring. This is the spring. Well, it just fell off again. But I guess I can't do this with this thing here. But this thing. There like that. And then, ah, darn it. I think I don't think I can't do this with one hand, with 2 hands like this. But anyway, what I've done is I've blown out this thing, this gas tank here. I'm going to put my air hose at the other end of this. I'm going to have to do it, but it goes in this hole right here. I'm going to have to do this separately because I can't do that and hold the camera. But anyway, I did that. Oh, what I did want to mention is these things. I took this thing apart before. And these little, these things were hard to get in. They're like little aluminum inserts here. But the first time I took them apart, I couldn't get them to go in. They're kind of hard to go in. But that's all I wanted to say. And but anyway, and this is where you turn on the fuel. And I emptied the tank, and I'm going to fill it up again. So anyway, yeah, and then the carburetor goes on here like this, and there, and I'll have to work on that. So, because I only got one hand. So anyway, catch you later. Alright, I'm back again. You see how this is? It, there's like, it goes, the spring goes, there. I used a needle nose pliers are my pliers. And this is all zoomed in. I just took some needle nose pliers and I just pull it through there, and then took needle nose pliers to get this thing in there too. This this thing, it just kind of bends here and it goes in here. It's a little hard to get in, but I'm just gotta put it through, and it goes around, you know, in there, back there. Put it to here. And this is a spring, it goes around it. Oh. And the spring, it just goes around this thing here. And then the gasket too, and this gasket too, I just noticed there's a little God, this thing gets zoomed in, I can't even see where I'm pointing. There's a little notch here, you know, where the gasket goes. I just kind of noticed that myself. There's like a little notch here, just so you know which way it goes on. And then put this oil cooler thing in here. So anyway, yeah, next I'm going to start it up, hopefully. Okay, catch you later. Alright, and also, I drenched, I took some oil, that's the air filter. It says in the book that you're supposed to soak it in oil. So what I did is I just took a bunch of oil on it, and it did clean it up a little bit. I just put a bunch of oil on it and sucked it up like a sponge, you know, and then wringed it out. You know, it was like a sponge. And this little thing too is trying to get this thing in, but these, Tessa's trying to say before, but these little clip things, they'll come out, and then you like not be able to put it in. But if you can put one on first, then the next one just kind of push it in. What I done is I pushed it in with a screwdriver. I pushed that little thing in there, and I pushed it in so it would go in, because otherwise you can't get the bolt around it, you know. Because before I was really having a rough time with that. I couldn't figure out how to put it back together, but you just take a well, like I showed you. But anyway, I just want to mention that, and hopefully next time I'll be starting it up. Okay, catch you later. Well, anyway, it starts at but my guy is renting to us. He's upstairs. I don't want, it's like 3:30 in the morning. I don't want to bother him any more than I have to. But yeah, it starts up. But what I noticed is there was some. Yeah, it works now. So that's really good. But I noticed there was when I turned this fuel on. When I turn this the heck, why can't I? Unbelievable. When I turned this fuel lever on, fuel was running down here, but it's not doing it anymore. Maybe it's something to do with the float not being seated or something, but it's not leaking now. But yeah, it was draining out right here out of this thing here. And my finger is actually, it's still dripping out there. I wonder why it is. Starts up just fine. Put this here. But then, yeah, I don't know why this is leaking fuel right here. So anyway, it works, except I don't know why well, the fuel is leaking out there. I guess I don't know. But maybe I have to investigate that further. Unless I didn't put something in it right. Or turn on now. Oh, there's nothing coming out now. But yeah, it was coming out right at the bottom here. But it's not leaking now, so. Then just shut off with the switch. So it works. So I'm a happy camper. So now I could yeah, I'm a happy camper. All right. Sportsman GEN2000. So now I am really a happy camper. Actually, they were pretty helpful too. I called customer service and they were pretty helpful. Showed me some YouTube videos, but there was a better YouTube video somebody else made, but yeah, it works now. So now I can go on vacation. All right. Then I gotta fix this truck too yet before I go, because it gives a gas leak, and I'm working on my car there and all kinds of stuff. So cool. Catch you later. Hope this video helped you out. Okay, bye. Alright, hi everybody. This is Don Derwin, and now one thing I didn't do yet is I didn't change the oil yet, but I'm going to take some 10W40 oil. And I'm going to start it up. It's been a few days. I don't know why the gas is leaking out, but maybe the float didn't fully come down or something. everything's cleaned out, but not quite sure. But that's why I turned it off, you know, just in case that it won't do that again. But anyway, I'm gonna try and start this up and hook my hairdryer up to it and see this thing work here. The heck? Oh, good Lord. Everybody, this is Don Derwin. Boy, yeah, I don't know. The switch just broke here, so I took this panel off and I wired it. And the switch is wired to be on when it's off. When it's disconnected, it's on. And when it's connected, it's off. So I don't know. The thing broke. It's just this plastic. It's the plastic, and there's a little thing in there. But you know, one thing about this was that I remember. The hair dryer never really worked anyway. I mean, when I was using it before, it never got hot. So it's probably working as it's supposed to. So I don't know whether just to buy another generator for my vacation or try and test this out anymore. Be about $350 foreign bucks. Another one. But I don't know, I think I'm gonna say that maybe this generator is not that good. I tried to adjust this here, the adjusting screw there. You know, try and adjust the fuel mixture. But I don't know. Now it's working, but it's not that hot. I remember before it didn't work that good either. Maybe this is good now. Keep hard to watch. Yeah, so I don't know. That it makes the light dim. Can't put it around. Maybe I should just go buy a new one. Just yeah, maybe. Anyway, I don't know. Hope you got something out of this video. Anyway, catch you later. Goodbye. Anyway, this is Don again, and one thing that's notable is this thing is wired to be on, so it'll start up just fine, but to shut it off you gotta put these wires in there if your switch is broke. FYI for your information, otherwise you can't shut it off unless you pull the spark plug out, and I did that and I got shocked. And you know, I was looking at the wattage, like my hair dryer. I had that running last night, and the hair dryer is rated at 15 amps. And so this is rated at 2000 watts, 2000 surge watts, and then running at 1400. And 15 amps is 1800 watts. So it's a little low, and that could be why the hair dryer won't get hot. But I think it's running as it should be, even though the choke seems to be. I mean, I don't know why, but it won't run when I put it on run. But I mean, it seems to work. I was thinking about buying a new one, but maybe this is all right, because all I needed to do is I'm going camping. I'm going to Oshkosh, the air show, the 2024 air show, and I used this, you know, 5 years ago when I went. What I do is I hook up 2 DC marine batteries, you know, boat batteries, marine batteries, and then I charge with the battery charger. I charge the batteries with this generator. So I was like thinking, and even when I hooked it up, the other one before, when I tried to hook up the hair dryer before, when it was brand new, the hair dryer just got warm. I mean, that's it. You know, and that's about what it does now. So I guess it's working as it should, even though I can't put it on choke unless, I mean off the choke. But maybe it's running a little lean. Maybe I was thinking, I don't know why, but I don't know. I'm thinking either call the company and, you know, ask them about that, and maybe try to order a new switch. But I gotta go in like 10 days. And I'm just gonna go try it out with my battery charger there. I'm gonna try it with the battery charger and hook the light up to it. Yeah, the battery charger is 720. That's 6 amp battery charger. That's what it says. So that would be 720 watts. So anyway, I'm gonna start it up and see if I can get a light to work in the battery charger, and just try to test this thing out. I don't want no surprises when I get to Oshkosh. I don't want this thing to be dead. So, all right. So turn this on and. Let it run like 5 minutes before you guess I don't have to buy a new generator. This is working fine, I guess. So I'm not going to worry about it. The switch, I'll just order a new one. And, I would call this, hey, it works. A new one would